Hi, my name is Richard Greenwood from VT Filtration. I'd like to introduce you to the Fluidised Bed Biofilter, the world's most efficient, compact, cost-effective and environmentally friendly biofiltration solution. Welcome to VT Filtration Fluidised Bed Biofilter, revolutionising odour and VOC control. When biofilters are suggested as a solution, the response is one of an environmentally friendly solution, but there are doubts about the ongoing costs, the ongoing efficiency, the maintenance and the required space. So let's take these points one by one. The initial cost of static biofilters or trickling biofilter systems is not too high, but the ongoing costs in the form of media changes, power consumption and water consumption make these systems expensive to many end users. The VT Filtration Fluidised Bed Biofilter has no expensive media changes, the media is self-regenerating and the excrete is taken out of the media chamber by the use of specially designed grills. If there was a problem and something got through to the biofilter that affected the media, and this has not happened to date, the operator will have humidity-sealed bags of media on standby and can conduct a full media change themselves within 45 minutes. Power consumption for the Fluidised Bed Biofilter is extremely low, as the system is very small and has very few moving parts. The Fluidised Bed Biofilter creates no effluent water, as the chamber is humidity controlled. This is a great benefit of the system, as conventional biofilters and trickling biofilter systems can use thousands of litres of water per day. The next point is maintenance. With very few moving parts and no expensive media changes, the maintenance cost of a Fluidised Bed Biofilter is a fraction of the maintenance cost of static bed biofilters and other biofilter systems. Ongoing efficiency of biofilters is always something that is brought into question, and there are valid reasons for this. With static bed biofilters and trickling biofilter systems, the media is kept moist by the use of water. After time, this causes the media to compact. When the media compacts, two things happen. Channeling is the first. This means that channels of air through the media are formed and odour and VOCs start escaping, leaving other areas of the biofilter without airflow and thus a food source for the bacteria. This forces the bacteria to migrate. The second thing that happens is saturation. Saturation happens at the bottom of the biofilter and starts to become the area where bacteria migrate to and becomes the only efficient area within the media bed. After time, noticeable amounts of odour escape from the biofilter, and then operators must conduct a costly media change. There are no media changes with the Fluidised Bed Biofilter. The VT Fluidised Bed Biofilter is a result of years of research into the function and restraints of biofilters. The VT bioreactor uses a patented fluidised biobed. Fluidisation enables 100% gas contact with the highly active and humid biomedia. This gives the VT bioreactor the advantage over other biofilter technologies. The VT Filtration's bioreactor's transfer rate from gas to biofilm phase is only nanoseconds, compared to tens of seconds in static biobeds. This is only possible when a constant optimum environment is maintained for the type of bacteria used. The fraction of a second gas to biofilm stage has really broken the mould with biofilter experts the world over, creating such a stir that most feel they have to see it to believe it, and VT Filtration welcome any and all trials of the most efficient biofilter system in the world. VT Filtration uses the most cost-effective and environmentally friendly technologies for the removal of various pollutants in a given gas stream. In situations where complex ring formation hydrocarbons are present, they are being pre-treated or cracked in the VT ozonation chamber, whereafter the biodegradation of all remaining components takes place in the patented fluidized bed bioreactor. The VT ozonation chamber creates no harmful residues and can leak no ozone into the environment. Another myth that VT filtration has overcome is not being able to use ozone before a biofilter. VT filtration achieves this successfully through the unique VT ozonation chamber. Remote monitoring is another key advantage to the VT fluidized bed biofilter. All units are monitored by the VT head office in Switzerland. The end users of the technology also have remote monitoring facilities, monitoring what is going in and coming out, as well as total mechanical monitoring. This system prevents costly shutdowns by live monitoring and therefore identifies potential issues before they cause problems. The system can be remotely monitored on computers, tablets and phones and is extremely user-friendly. The heart of the fluidized bed biofilter is the media bed. Years of research went into the best ways of fluidizing the media, and the result is quite simple. VT Filtration manufactures specially designed, lightweight media beads that are impregnated with bacteria. The media beads are placed in a humidity-controlled and pressurized chamber where they are fluidized. Fluidization is not to be confused with saturation. The beads are then stirred gently to force them, in turn, to the base of the chamber where they make contact with the chamber grills and remove any buildup of excrete. The perfect environment for the media to thrive. So perfect that our 6,000 cubic meter per hour system contains 0.15 cubic meters of media pellets that have a combined active biosurface area of 500 square meters. Compared to a static biofilter, the fluidized bed biofilter has 50 times the active biosurface area per square meter than that of a static biofilter. In this diagram you can see the odours and VOCs coming in through the inlet, passing through the ozone scrubber where the ring formation hydrocarbons are cracked and pushed out through the pumps and the filters. The blower then takes the airflow into the biofilter where it's pushed through the biofilter media and cleaned, and then out of the outlet comes clean air. This type of system can be 6,000 cubic meters per hour and fit within the footprint of a 20-foot standard shipping container. For fluidized bed biofilter inquiries within the UK, please contact blowgreen.co.uk, email info@blowgreen.co.uk. The VT Filtration Fluidized Bed Biofilter, the most efficient, cost-effective, compact and environmentally friendly biofilter system in the world. For more information, please go to www.vtfiltration.com. Thank you.